Hey everybody, today I'm going to start building the 3Racing crawler kit. I haven't built a crawler kit in a short while. I've been building Tamiya TTO2s for the past few months and I love that. But I want to get back to part of my roots, which is crawlers. I have quite a few crawlers and I really enjoy building these. So first thing of any kit is always to read the instruction manual thoroughly front to back. I've already done so. This first page here is basically just some precautions telling you to read the manual, tools you need, some specifications, and the table of contents. And the best thing about this kit is that all the steps are organized by bag. There's a little crossover in the next few pages where you need both bags 2 and 3 or 8 and 6, but for the most part all the pages, all the steps are organized into bags, which is super convenient, and I really like building kits this way. Of course, the first step is to look at all of the parts and screws that we're going to need and then review the steps itself. Then we can get started building it. Let's go ahead and start right here with the left side, and we're going to pick out the servo mount. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. It's going to be this piece right here, and it goes on the 4th and 5th hole, so should be right there. And then we're going to combine the tower with the damper mount locker. Okay. Here's one of those lockers. I think all 4 of these are the same. And let's see if these are all the same. So this is AB. And this is also AB. You can see it's stamped there. Stamped A and B. All right, we're going to need tower A right now. And the locker in the back is adjacent to the servo mount here. I'm going to use these flathead screws. Line that up, push that through, line it up with the locker in the back. There's the B tower. And it's going to go on this hole right here. Okay, and then we need to put the battery mount locker, which is this piece right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th hole right here. And push those through, and it's the button screw M8s. So I believe it's this one right here. There's plenty of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th hole. There we go. So far so good, nothing complicated yet. Let's go ahead and move on to the right side. All right, for the right rail, there's a few more parts. There is the skid plate and a couple of these braces on the back. So let's go ahead and start at the front again. We're going to put on the servo mount, same as before. Okay, there's a damper mount locker and the damper on the other side. And this is going to be the B tower. So this is the B tower right here. Going to flip that over because it's on the outside. And I'm going to place it right next to the servo mount, like so. see, let's make sure everything still looks the same. All right. Next is the skip plate. And let's go ahead and count. It's the 5th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's that hole right there. And we're going to be putting it through this second hole, not the left, not these two, but this one and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Right, next is the battery mount again. So far it's completely symmetrical. Let's see, the battery mount is this right here. And we know it's the first 2 holes right here. Okay, and then we're going to be putting on the front damper, which is this piece right here. Okay, and then the 2 braces. Let's see if these are the same. Clip that off. Okay, these 2 are the same. This one's a little bit different. This one looks like it's for the rear. And this one right here with the single hole is the one that goes on next. And it goes on right adjacent to the damper tower here. Okay, now it's time to marry the 2 sides together. And it's going to line up just like that. And for this side, there is a 2-speed transmission servo mount. So that goes on like so. That's going to be a little bit trickier. So let me go ahead and get some screws in the front and in the... No, it looks like it's only the back. Let me get a couple of screws through here, and then I'll work on the middle. Like I said, this one goes into the skid plate like so. I think it's going to be just outside of that, and 1 hole goes here, 1 goes there. Okay, I made a little mistake on the screws here. I used button head screws on this side with instead of the flatheads, so I ran out of button head screws. But I corrected that problem, and first we need to put 1 screw through here. And the last screw for bag 1 is here. And on the other side, we're going to put a nut. So let me first get this through. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we do have an extra part here. Maybe we'll use it in the future stuff. Maybe we don't. Maybe it's just an extra bumper piece. Who knows? But with that, we're done with bag 1. And in the next video, we're going to be tackling bag 2. And bag 2 looks like we're going to be starting work on the motor and also the transmission, which is also fun. And yep, that's what we're going to be working on in the next video. the bulkhead assembly. Quite a few steps on this bag. That's going to be interesting. So if you like this video, if you enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up, subscribe for more, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video of this 3Racing crawler kit. Thanks for watching.